All right, well, welcome back for another exciting Coding with the Agent video. We're going to take a look. The last time we were together, we made it rain chickens. So that was pretty cool. This time what we hope to do is to check out some agent moves. So we're going to take a peek at this and we're going to start the tutorial and see if we can make this one happen. All right, what's going on now? So to get your agent to move in this tutorial, you'll make some chat commands to have your agent move and turn. All right, well, that sounds pretty good. Just wait for this to download. Looks like it'll be soon. And yeah, I'm really enjoying this so far. So here, oh, look at this. He's got like the moves like Jagger. Here we go. Okay. We'll click a little OK there. Okay, place on the chat command a block and name it to TP, short for teleport. Okay, so we're going to take run out of here and put TP for that. So we're making a command. All right, what's next on this agenda? Place agent teleport player. So you see it's red. There's your little agent. So click on that. And then we need this piece of code. All right, what do we got next? Go to Minecraft and open up the chat and enter TP. All right, well, let's go and see if that works. Now, last time I clicked on this and I kind of made it play, but we'll see if that's all it took. Sometimes maybe it takes a quick delay to upload to our agent friend here. But we're going to Minecraft. We're going to go T, and oh, there you can see what happened before with our chickens. We'll put a TP. Let's try that again. All right, oh, and there, you teleported right to us. Wow, that was pretty cool. Let's take a look. How you doing, buddy? So, I'm just checking this out. I'm going to go over here, see how far he is there. I'm going to go back into here and go TP. And there, oh, excellent. So that's working. All right, buddy. How you doing? Okay, let's go back to our code and see what we need to do next. Now, when we take a look at here, it says place on chat. We want to now call this FD. Okay, so FD, and that's going forward, agent move. Now, we don't want this one anymore because we don't want to teleport. So we're going to take that out of the code. And can we right click on it? Oh, look at that, we can. We can delete that block. There we go. That's out. So we go back to the agent here. And now we want to move forward. So we'll take that, put that piece of code in. I think we went on here. Okay, good. That's where we'll probably have to come down the road to go through that. And we want them to go 5 blocks. Clicking 5 there. I'm just going to try something here. I wonder if that is going to make it go a little faster by hitting that. Oh, so we go right to the play. All right, so now we're going to go T. And we put FD for forward. Oh, wow, he's pretty fast. All right, so now we're kicking with gas here. You can see the code's working pretty good. Let's see what else we'd like to do here. That one is good. Okay, yeah, we did that and he moved. So we're good. Ahead of the game on that. Now, place a new IT chat. All right. Command. Okay, so we want to go, we'll grab this and we'll take turn agent left. Okay, place a new, all right, let's see if, and to the left there's an agent block. Okay, so let's see, that can go forward and then he's going to turn left. That's what I think is going to happen. All right, let's see. So we're going to go T to bring that up, and we're going to go forward. And he turned left. Oh, wow, that's so cool. So I want to make sure that worked right. So if he comes at me 5, and then he should, if he's turning left, his left, he should look that way when he's done. Okay, so I'm going to back up here. Oh, look, we got some animals hanging out with us on this journey. That's cool. We're going to go T, and we're going to go forward. And he did exactly. Hey, how you doing, buds? All right, so there we go. We made him do that. Let's check out the next part here. Oh, and now we're going to make him turn right. Okay, so he'll turn right, and okay, so then he should just kind of come back towards us. So let's put that let's say the agent here. We're going to put him. Hey, we're going to go here and we're going to turn right and right play. And we're going to see what he does. All right, so you should end up doing almost a little dance for us here, I think. Well, let's see. So we're going to type in FD for goes forward. Oh, yeah, a little move there. Excellent. We went left and right. Nice. All right. Starting to get a hang of this part a little bit. We're going to go to the last. Oh, go to Minecraft. Oh, we did that. Now, one thing I'd like to see here, too. I'm just going to go back. I wonder, oh, like this is one thing we could do. If we went here and we called this left, move this here, bring another part, and we call this right, and then take this part of the code and move it over. All right, so let's see if that's going to work. So there, and I'm going to back up. And I'm going to go into the chat here, put the code forward. Okay, now I want him to turn to face me, so he should be going left. So let's hit T and go LT, or LF, sorry. LF. There he goes. Right, and if I wanted to make him go right, I go into T and go RT. All right, I think we did that pretty well. Let's see, I'm starting to get a hang of this. I'm starting to see how things work there. And we're finished this tutorial. All right. Well, so far so good. I'm learning a lot. I'm starting to get a hang of a few things. It's been good. All right. Well, thanks again for watching. And yeah, I'm looking forward to our next adventure with our friend the agent. Let's see if we can make him dance one more time. Let's see if I go... we'll try that for another time. Oh, I'll make him one more time. All right, ready, buddy? Here you go. We're going to make you go and face us. So I want you to go left. All right. Maybe I'll figure out how to make him wave down the road. All right, thanks for watching, and have a great day.